What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Havoc garage video. We got a lot going on this weekend. It's pretty cold out. It's like 20 something degrees outside. But first we're gonna start off by getting another one of those heaters, putting it on this side because we need it to warm up a little bit quicker in here. We got this little guy down here, which has been freaking amazing. It rips, can't lie, but we need to get warmer in here quicker. And then we can install this thing. Rafael will be on his way shortly, and then we'll be able to hear some turbo noises. Maybe we might run into some problems. It's the usual that happens here. Yeah, let's go to Northern Tools right now. We are in luck. So to sum all the places that I went to Northern Tools, 2 Home Depots, 2 Walmarts, no heaters, not a single heater. I went to Community Hardware. Not a lot of people know about it, especially where it's located. Sure enough, there were some heaters, so I got a heater. It looks like it'll kick some ass, so we're about to test this thing out. Hopefully it does good, hopefully it works. Honestly, if it's really good, I might go pick up another one, just because they had about like 6 more left, so, and someone else bought one in front of me, so we'll see. Hopefully this is a good heater. So here it is, oil-filled radiator heater. I mean, it looks pretty legit, so let's unbox this thing, hook it up, test it out. Hopefully it does good. Got that one. I had to turn it off when I left because I don't really trust that one too much. This one says it has a overheating protection, like it'll shut off or something like that. Yeah, see, overheating protection, and it'll auto shut off. So that's really cool. Keeps things a little bit safer. Let's hook it up. Well, here she is, plugged in, warming up. I only have it midway up, see how warm it gets. I just plugged it up, so we're gonna give it a few minutes. I guess now I can start taking off the wheels and we can install this thing. I guess I'll unbox it right now and show y'all what it looks like. This thing looks pretty legit, can't lie. Kind of surprised. Oh, looks really good. If I could take it out, there we go. Yeah, look at that. Aluminum, looks pretty legit. Let's go ahead and install this thing on the car. In order to do that, we got to take off this wheel right here and then take off the fender liner, and it should be pretty easily accessible. My GoPro battery is about to die, so I'm gonna go grab some more, put this one on charge, and hopefully this thing is warmed up by then. Oh, kind of feeling it now actually. It feels pretty good. Let me go grab this battery and I'll catch y'all back. So there is the diverter valve right there where that white tag is. You gotta pop that off. I believe it's 3 5mm Allen wrenches or Allen keys, and then you pop the spacer in and pop that back on. But we're about to find out right now, so let's get to taking this thing off. I was about to start hammering on this thing, but I hear somebody pulling up. Oh, yes sir. Yes sir. Oh, look at this baller right here. Look at this shit. Dang, this shit's clean. Clean, bro, clean. Hey yo. What we got here?
Some camber arms that we welded up today. They're not the greatest welds, but I think it'll hold.
Yes, sir. Kind of odd.
See, it bolts up.
Yeah.
Now let's see if it bolts up.
Nice.
Yeah, we're not using that, thank God.
I think it's meant though. This will be for another video, for the slammed or whatever we're doing.
Hopefully, from -14 to -17.
Hopefully. 14 to -17? Is that what you're hoping for?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hopefully it's not nothing like 22.
Hopefully it even bolts up.
That too. That's a. Hopefully it holds up.
That too.
I mean, it should.
Because these welds aren't the greatest. I don't feel confident in them. Like I did the other ones.
Yeah, the other ones were mint, but those are a little bit more awkward to weld. But this is the first time, so, or with these.
Yeah. But I think it should be pretty solid, I hope.
Anyways, that's for a whole other video. Right now, we got this thing going on. Have a garage.
There
you go.
Young guy. You know.
Alright, well, let's get back to this thing.
Got it bumping.
Alright, diverter valve's off.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna throw this thing in there. I don't know if there's a certain way. It has like a little, like these little recess things, but I don't see that on the. I don't see that on there. So I guess it could just go in any way it wants to. Y'all can shut up. Y'all can shut up. Yeah. So let me put this thing on. I can't really record because there is no room in here, but I'll catch y'all back.
Ricer 101.
Alright, so the diverter valve is in. It was honestly pretty simple. Kind of hard to get to, but it's just 3 5mm Allen key bolts. And now we're going to get some test sounds.
If Mark says what it sounds like, it'd be kind of cool. If it doesn't sound like what Mark says, it's not cool. How much was it? 60 bucks?
Yeah.
It ain't worth 60 bucks. We're about to see.
Yeah, we're about to find out.
We got Cameron here.
Yeah, we went to his car, but it's dark outside and we can't see, so we just can't show it.
It's not even fucking dark outside. It's middle of the day.
We just can't show the car. It's dark outside. The camera won't pick it up.
Yeah, it's shit box.
But yeah, let's get this wheel on and we'll get some sounds.
Puts the fucking dubstep in the background.
Intense ass edit right now.
Dumb. Come on, Mark, dude. The viewers want to see the freaking noises.
See the noises?
Yeah.
See the noises?
That's not what I meant. You know what I meant. Alright, Mark got the wheel on. And now he's about to pull it out so we can hear some noisies. And I'll be the judge if it's worth the $60 or not.
You'll be the judge?
Yeah.
Not the person who bought it?
No, not you.
No, because you're just gonna say, "Oh yeah, it's great." you got two sets of.
So here we go, a little bit of a cold startup.
Hey, that's all that matters.
Oh, don't open that bitch up. Leave it closed.
Pretty cold, by the way.
Bro, let's just enjoy this.
Woo! The Miata. Oh.
It's about to be cold.
It's like 35 here in Texas. That's cold to us.
It's 32. Yeah, it's 32 right now.
32. Here we go.
That sounds a lot better. You want to hear it from up front? Top class.
So, let's go drive it.
Give it a solid 6 out of 10.
Alright, we're in the car now. That was the outside noises. We're here with Marcus driving. You can't even see him because of his tint.
So I had reviewed the footage, realized that you really couldn't even hear the diverter valve spacer at all. It sounds amazing. It's pretty loud. The sound deadening really makes it pretty quiet in the car, especially if you have music going. You're really not even going to hear it too much. But if you roll down the windows or you don't have music going, it's pretty loud. And if you listen closely, the turbo will even flutter, so that's even cooler. Highly recommend it. It was a cheap and easy install. A lot of times they even have sales going on where they're even like $30, you know, like I definitely recommend it. Thank y'all guys so much for watching. Appreciate the support that we've gotten from people. It means a lot. So we got some more videos coming out really soon. We got a lot of videos coming out actually, and we'll see you next time. Talk to you guys